know it's kind of funny where the road of life can take you. This land of opportunity. You be surprised till you meet. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Rolling down backwoods.
I'm sitting full as a tick. Just left my granny house about as good as it get. Ate a half rack of ribs, mac and cheese and some slaw. Could be a lot worse, but I'm better than y'all.
Worked hard all week
for some dollars and change. Still can't pay the rent and my boss is to blame. I'd quit right now for 15 minutes of fame. I'm attracted to the glitz like a moth is to flame.
Only my lover,
and she's a bad mamma jamma. She said stick with it when we move to Atlanta. It's gonna be different, but we in it together. Whatever doesn't kill you makes you tougher than leather.
couldn't feel better.
Cause by the end of the night, we kissing, hugging tight, and I'm chilling with
my Dixieland. Spend my dollar.
Come on and spend that dollar.
Park in a holler neath the mountain. Hold her up tight.
Hold her up tight.
Make a little loving.
Make a little love.
A little turn it oven on a Mason-Dixon night. That's my life. Oh, so right. My Dixieland delight.
Dixieland delight.
Can't wait to get home to my country girl, my country house, and my country folks.
Homegrown country girl,
looking good in her daisies. Dropped out of school just to raise our babies. Granny getting around even though she in her 80s. Bingo hall cause today she's
lucky as a 7.
Kentucky back roads got me feeling so free I can't go back home. And this small town living best feeling in the wind. Look around, man, I'm at home. My own shotgun house and a swing on deck. Small front yard but a creek out back. I grab my little pipe, we can creep out back and bring the moonshine, we fall asleep out back.
Couldn't feel better.
With my top let back and my seat just right, and I'm chilling with
my Dixieland. Spend my dollar.
Come on and spend that dollar.
Park in a holler neath the mountain moonlight. Hold her up tight.
Hold her up tight.
Make a little loving.
Make a little love.
A little turn it oven on a Mason-Dixon night. That's my life. Oh, so right. My Dixieland delight.
Let's have some fun, y'all.
Spend my dollar
all the way to the last penny. Something in my fist that is penny. Got plenty bills, but I don't pay many. Napping Alabama, oh no, it's
spend my dollar.
Got 4 songs out the jukebox. Took 4 shots, then we danced to the tune stop. Doing it like only we can in the boondocks. You ain't getting down till you go kick
spend my dollar.
Come on and spend that dollar.
Park in a holler neath the mountain moonlight. Hold her up tight.
Hold her up tight.
Take cash lang kayo?
Yes. Go left.
Go left or right?
You're not on your right?
Ito yung loks eh.
Yes.
Ano na yan?
Yes.
Wala na nagpass. Hindi makarong eh.
Wow.
Casually does an illegal move.
Lotion.
We got some body wash.
Butter! Cocoa butter lotion! Oh my goodness! Come on!
It's my life. Oh, so right. My Dixieland delight.
Bye.
Hello.
Bye!
Bye bye. Nasinja.
Bye!
Shalom.
Shakay.